There's nothing more frustrating than seeing water spots on your paint after you've spent 30 minutes or an hour or however long you've spent washing your vehicle. But in this video, I'm going to cover why water spots form in the first place and 2 ways to either treat hard water spots or prevent them altogether. If you're a beginner, you're looking to up your detailing game, check out our video course at carwashcountry.com/course. This was designed to help beginners really learn the basics of washing and detailing from home so you can start saving money and best of all, see better results that you can be proud of. Let's talk why water spots form. This typically is the result of hard tap water from underground making its way through your plumbing, out the end of your hose. If your tap water has a lot of calcium in it, if you have a lot of limestone underground, hard water spots are just going to form on everything that water comes in contact with, whether it's glass, your car's paint, your shower doors, your dishes. And in severe cases, depending on what part of the country you live in, I would recommend treating the water at the source. This is something that a lot of the chemical companies don't really want you to know about because they do make products to treat hard water spots once they form on your vehicle. If hard water spots are not that big of an issue, if they're not chalky, you can go the route of treating your hard water spots with something like a hard water spot remover, demineralizing spray. You spray them on the vehicle, you wipe them off with a microfiber towel, and they can do a decent job. If the water spots have already dried, then they don't really work as well. You sometimes have to use the dedicated gels. But if you don't want to do that every single time, then I would treat the water. One option, very popular in detailing, is by using a portable water deionizer. Essentially how these devices work is it takes your tap water, it runs it through a cartridge filter, and then out the other end, you have this purified water that you can then use with your pressure washer or your standard garden hose. There's a few different companies that make these. CR Spotless is one of them. That's a great option if you don't want to go the route of installing a at-home water softening system. This could be a better choice if you're tired of dishes that have spots on them. You're tired of washing your hair with all this hard water. For more tips like this, check out carwashcountry.com. Check out a related video on removing or eliminating windshield haze. Pretty similar problem that impacts visibility, super annoying. There's a few different causes of that as well. My name's Baxter. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.